Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply preset filters to your selfie or pictures on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the camera or to this gallery section where you can find your selected pictures. Click on a photo that you want to edit, and after that tap on the presets button down below, which is the first option. Here you can find a bunch of preset filters that you can choose from, so tap on the relevant one, and after that you can adjust it by this scale down below. Here you can see how it changes. In a particular category you have a bunch of preset filters that you can choose from. As you can see, this is the everyday category, there is the natural category containing a bunch of other filters, and you can adjust it by the help of this scale or this slide as I have mentioned. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and here you can see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.